place is just one giant sail. To the shelter, and a guide will come along and look after us. This is beautiful for me. It's like being back to the Okay, here we go. Next one. Fire exit. Nice. No one in front of us. It's the only part we can actually film. I don't think we'll stop filming with this because there's no flash, no nothing. Please wait for the light. Back to Gizzy, mate. We've done it. We survived it. Needed a bloody cough in there, but not let it make any noise. There's people coming now. Yeah, let's go up. There's stairs that go here. The top of the room. Took no shit from the tourists talking. I felt sorry for the people on the boat who couldn't speak English. It was pretty difficult. Just like when you come up here, you come into this big tent. Yeah.